What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Stance Man coming to the channel with an episode of Pixel Car Racers, and today we're gonna be building this DC5. We had a request on a previous video from yesterday to do a K20 build, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So put a crate water in here. Drag steelies. Nice. I might actually put those on. I'm pretty sure this already has the K20 in it, but I'm just gonna check to make sure. Interesting. They're both 2 liters. And I'm pretty sure the K20 is originally from this generation Type R. But this one says the weight doesn't change either. Oh, I guess it never does with this. That's interesting. Alright, so we're going to leave it out for now, and we're going to fully max out this car and see what we're at. And then, we'll go from there and see if we need to, throw some, throw the K20 in there. I can't English this morning, I'm sorry. Let's see, we'll do gold and black. Alrighty, here we go. Gold. I don't want to do a gold cat. I'm gonna go with just the single. And throw on that intercooler. Tighten pistons. Max ECU. And open manifold. Just kidding. Should I though? Like, give me a second. Oh yeah, I went back and forth, and it looks like the VX open intake, because it weighs 8 pounds. I'm guessing it's pounds. It weighs 8 and gives me 36 horsepower. These all weigh 14 or 12 and also give the same amount, so I might as well put that on and save those few pounds. Alright, so this makes 1,921 horsepower. In fact, what we should probably do is dyno it just to be sure. Okay, 2024 in the stock engine. Now let's go and throw in the K20 and see if it makes a difference. Oh. Okay, so that's interesting. So, it's a little bit less horsepower, but it gives me more top speed. So it looks like what we're going to do is we're going to compare the stock engine to the K20. Alright, so let's see, let's, check my, oh, that's actually good fitment. I like that. Let's see what we got. I think I might actually use the camber wheels on here. Looks kind of cool. That's kind of cool looking. No, I think we'll go with the black. Let's go with the black ones. And then we're gonna go and we're gonna clean this out visually. I don't think I want to go as much towards the racing side. You know, towards the drag racing side, I mean. I think I kind of want to, like, I don't want to go to this side, the whole drag racing side. I just want to, I want it to look more race car-ish, I guess. I mean, that does look kind of cool, but I think I like the Fortune front bumper, or the Hamilton front bumper. Yeah. Christ. Alright, there we go. Now we're gonna put on the first one. I don't know if I want a wide body on here or not. Some cars I do, some cars I don't. It's just kinda, it depends on what I'm feeling for the day. Okay. I like that. It's like mild extensions. I'll do that. I'm not a huge fan of the canards in the back. If you don't know, that's what those are. And this little thing here on the side, that's what those are. Like it's a super aggressive look, and I get it. It's that arrow, you know, but I mean, it's not for me. I like the drag one. Spoilers, yeah, BF Wing. Just kidding. I'm not gonna put that in there. It's too much. Like time attack wings. I think I'm gonna just end up going with the stock wing. I wonder how much different. Okay. Drag spoiler. Nah. I like the duck. The duck looks nice. Let's paint it. Oh, that looks cool. I like that gloss white. We're sticking with that gloss white. And let's, I don't usually go in here and do these all that often. So, let's go in here and throw on. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. Is there any race car style things I can throw on top? Just for looks? Kind of cool. Can't remember if there is. No, there's not. Let's throw those in there. This could be cool. Am I missing anything? I don't know if I want to put any decals. But that does look kind of cool. So does that, but that's cool. I'll live with that. All right, so here we go. We're gonna put a little tune on here. Let's do 313 there. Increase all of this quite a bit. Because I do test on the quarter mile. I do think it's, I mean, I don't know. I just prefer testing on the quarter mile. Like, I don't know. I just like running the quarter more than other lengths. Okay, here we go. This is the stock engine. Oh, that looks cool. That choice of headlights was perfect. Again, I do amateur because the shifting's a little bit quicker. Oh my goodness, really? I do manual because the shifting is quicker and easier to launch because you heat up your tires. And you put it in and hold it, and then you just wait. So we'll do 3 runs with each tune, and see which one is the best. So that was a 7.2, I believe. Ha, sucker, he can't do a burnout. This definitely seems like a faster run. Yep. 7.179, which is basically 7.18 again. Taking all the way up to the limit on this one. 7.225. Alright, so the fastest we got was a 7.179. Now we're going to go back to the shop and pop in the K20 and see how much of a difference it makes. We are going to leave the tune. I'm not touching the tune. I don't want it to because some cars react differently, or some engines react differently with different tunes. So we just took away 200 horsepower, but our top speed is a little bit better. Maybe that's because this engine pulls better in higher gears. That's what I've found in the VR38 as compared to the FR9 and the LS. The VR38 pulls harder in the top end. Which, I mean, may not be true for, real life, but I mean, hey. Let's give it a dyno run. Just to see exactly what we're running with. Alright, 2164. I'm pretty sure it's a little bit less than before, but we do have 1,000 pounds of torque. Check out the quit rate in here. I do like those wheels. A lot. So, yeah. But we have 1,000 pounds of torque. And a front-wheel drive Tegi. That's pretty insane. Like, I know I've been doing this a while. Like I was saying, I know I've been doing this a while, but I mean, I never actually noticed. Like, hey, this car has this much torque. Like, dang. It looks like this one revs higher. Wow. So I was right. This engine does pull a little bit harder, I guess. Seems to be one of the only explanations to this. So we got a 6.9. We're already 0.2 of a second faster. .8. That's a pretty darn good time for a car that barely has over 2,000 horsepower. That's pretty good. Nice looking RX-7 too. Like that. Another 6.9. So yeah, it looks like overall the K20 is the better engine for this car. So if you want to build a DC model Honda, toss in that K20. I'll show you my tune just one more time. If you want to pause it and get it, go ahead. I use the manual with no clutch because when those revs drop down, or what am I saying? Hold on. Okay. When you neutral drop it, from neutral into first, the car, I don't know, it just has more grip than when you're using the regular two-step. It's weird. I do want to do a tournament, though. Just to see how this car ranks itself in R1. Especially with the red tail. That's a Prius with titanium exhaust. That's something else. Okay. So this car does pretty good. Oh, I ran a 6.8 on that one. That might actually be my fastest in this car. Let's see what she's driving. That's strange. I don't remember seeing the DC2 in the car list. After this tournament, I'm gonna look. I'm gonna have to look. I'll get my ass kicked over here. Wow. Okay, here we are in the dealership. I just needed to see for myself, okay? No, 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 no. See, I'm not seeing it. See, that's the one that I found, and I kept going, and I'm pretty sure I went all the way down the list and didn't see it. I probably missed it, honestly. Where the hell is it? See? I don't see it. Maybe was it removed? I have no idea. I literally have no clue. That's really strange. Alright, well. There you go. This is your K20 Teggy, and I have now proven that the stock 2-liter in the DC... Well, I can't say DC5. No, yeah, I can. I'm just calling it a DC5. It's not a Type R, but who cares? The stock engine in the DC5 is not better than the K20, even though the K20 has less horsepower. So, there you go. Alright, I'm Stance Man. That is an RSX. This is Pixel Car Racers. And if you want to see more of this stuff on the channel, comment what you want to see, like the video, and subscribe for more. I'm out.